Unit 3, Topic 3 Notes. In this lesson, we're going to cover dividing polynomials. So with division, it's just the opposite of multiplication. So we are going to divide our coefficients, and then we're also going to divide our variables. So when we multiplied, so if we did 5x squared times 2x squared, we did 5 times 2. And then we did x squared times x squared. And to get that answer, we did 2 plus 2. We added the exponents together, and we got x to the 4th power. So when we divide polynomials, when we divide with those variables, we're going to do that same process, but with division. So we're going to do 15 divided by 3. We'll still divide our numbers. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then when we do x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 1st power, we're just going to do the opposite of adding, like we did with multiplying, and we're going to do 3 minus 1. We do 3 minus 1, we get x to the 2nd power. And that is dividing two monomials. So let's apply that over here to this problem. We have 32x to the 5th divided by 4x to the 2nd. 32 divided by 4 is 8. We do x to the 5th divided by x to the 2nd. We can do 5 take away 2, and we get x to the 3rd power. All right, so now if we take a monomial and divide it by a larger polynomial, like a trinomial or a 4-term polynomial, we're just going to do all of that division for each piece of the numerator. So I'm just going to break this up into a bunch of different division problems. So we have 3x to the 3rd, and then we're going to divide that by 3x plus 12x to the 2nd. We're going to divide that by 3x. And then minus 9x, we're going to divide that by 3x. So now we just have 3 division problems that we need to solve. 3 divided by 3 is 1. X to the 3rd divided by x to the 1st power, 3 take away 1 is 2. Plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. X to the 2nd divided by x to the 1st, we're going to do 2 take away 1, and we get x to the 1st power, which we don't have to write the 1. You can write the 1, but it's just not standard practice to write that. And then minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. X to the 1st power divided by x to the 1st power, if we do 1 minus 1, we get x to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is just 1, which means it cancels out, and we're just left with that 3 as our number. And then we'll do that same process over here for this next problem. Break this up into 4 different division problems where that bottom number is always staying the same. All right, so 32 divided by 2 is 16. X to the 4th divided by x to the 1st, we do 4 minus 1, which is 3. Minus 16 divided by 2 is 8. X to the 3rd divided by x to the 1st is x to the 2nd power. Minus 14 divided by 2 is 7. X to the 2nd divided by x to the 1st is just x. Plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. X divided by x just cancels out, and we're left with that 5. Two more problems for you. We have 12x to the 3rd divided by 4x plus 8x to the 2nd divided by 4x minus 2x divided by 4x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. X to the 3rd divided by x to the 1st is x to the 2nd. Plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. X to the 2nd divided by x to the 1st is just x. Minus 2 divided by 4. Now when we do 2 divided by 4, we're we're not going to get a whole number. If we do 2 divided by 4, we get 0.5. And you can write your answer as 0.5. Normally, it will be written as a fraction, however. So 0.5 as a fraction would be 1/2. And then x divided by x cancels out. No variable for that term. And then we have this last problem that we'll go through together. 36x to the 4th divided by 12x squared minus 12x to the 3rd divided by 12x squared minus 4x squared divided by 12x squared. 36 divided by 12 is 3. X to the 4th divided by x to the 2nd is x to the 2nd. Minus 12 divided by 12 is 1. X to the 3rd divided by x to the 2nd is x. And then minus 4 divided by 12. Again, if we do 4 divided by 12, we get 0.33333 repeating. So for this one, we're just going to need to reduce that fraction of 4 over 12. Both numbers can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our fraction would be 1/3. X to the 2nd divided by x to the 2nd. 2 take away 2 is 0. We're left with no x's, so it's just the constant term there. And that is all for your notes on dividing polynomials. You can go ahead and move into your practice.